I don't know who told summer we were ready for the heat, but I'm not ready. Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen, and today I am hiking at the Fort Worth Nature Preserve, and it is hot, you guys. Like, I don't know who told summer we were ready for the heat, but I'm not ready. And it's so hot. Like, I think the high today will be 80, and I don't remember it being this hot in March last year, but at least the sun is out. I asked for the sun, so here it is, and it's still really beautiful. I am hiking the Canyon Ridge Trail, and this is one of my favorite trails to hike here. I don't come to the Fort Worth Preserve as much as I'd like to, but if I come here, this is the trail. It's 3.5 miles one way. So I guess it's that 7 miles round trip, which is good, pretty good. I don't know how far I'll go, but let's see. Ooh, stairs almost took me out. Ooh, deep breaths. Talking and walking up some stairs is actually very hard to do, clearly. So I'm gonna take a deep breath. Whew. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like this video, share it with your friends and family, and let's get hiking. So this spot actually has an entrance fee. It's $6 for adults, and they do open only for a certain amount of hours, but I love how big it is, and it's one of the few places in the DFW area that makes me feel like I'm actually hiking in like a forest or something, if that makes any sense. Y'all, this is the part of the trail where I start to reconsider if hiking was even a good idea. Look at all these stairs. I don't know if y'all can see it because there's kind of like a glare from the sun, but y'all see them stairs? Whew. Sometimes I have to like give myself a pep talk to just get up there. maybe y'all can help me, because like I love doing the Stairmaster when I'm at the gym, but something about having to climb some stairs when you're outside is so intimidating. I'm almost there, y'all, though. I'm halfway. Oh man, y'all, it is hot. Like, and it's not just hot, it's like hot and humid. Like that air that comes before it rains, except it's not raining. Oh, yesterday was not this humid, so I don't know why, but like Texas has been it has been raining a lot here in Texas the past few weeks. Like, I think it rains at least like twice a week. I'm running out of breath, you guys, but I'm almost there. Look. Whew. I am sweating. I forgot what it was like to hike in warm weather, and I remember now. I don't like it. I did not like it one bit. This is why I always try to go outside of Texas during the summer, because I just can't hike in this hot weather. But the crazy part about it is it's March, you guys. Like, it's the beginning of March too. Why is it this hot already? Oh man, these stairs about to take me out. I did it, you guys. Made it up those stairs. I don't know why that was so painful. I think it's because it's like just so hot and humid. All right, let's take a look up here. See. And one thing I love about this trail is that it's mostly shaded. Just a couple spots once you get up here at the top that are not, but for the most part it's shaded, which is nice because the sun is out here doing its thing. Apparently there's alligators here, and I doubt I'll see any here, but apparently they exist. So this is Greer Island over there, and you can actually walk across to the island. So I'm about to walk across and check that out. I've been there before, but it's been a while since I was last there, so I'm gonna go check it out. other side. Let's check it out. So there is a trail that goes around the island. This is the Margaret Parker Memorial Trail. And it goes around the whole, all of Greer Island. So it goes all the way around. So let's check out some of it. The park is about to close soon. They close at 5 and it's about to be 4. So I got an hour left to explore here. So I'm gonna walk around this trail and then probably find a spot and just relax a little bit and then call it a day. Thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see y'all on the next hike. Happy hiking.